Pipedrive dark mode is out. Let's take a look. The dark mode theme has been a highly anticipated update for salespeople like me and you who have to spend all day looking at our screens. We can even see from this post back in November of 2021, people were already asking for this, and there's been comments of people saying that they've been looking for this feature for a really long time. In order to update the theme in Pipedrive, you're going to hit your settings, go to personal preferences, and then scroll down to interface preferences. At the top of your screen, you should see appearance and have the options in the theme sections for light, dark, and system. Now, we're all familiar with light theme. That's what's been burning our eyes for the last couple years while we're using Pipedrive. That's where the background is white and a light gray. Whereas if we were to switch, say, to dark theme, select dark and scroll down to the bottom here, you notice that the background is a dark gray and black colors. It's a lot easier on the eyes. Now, you also notice that you have a third option here called system. System matches whatever you have on your computer with Pipedrive. In this case, my computer settings are also for a lighter theme, so that's what Pipedrive is mimicking here. I think where this can really be useful is in the case where you have some advanced theme settings on your computer, maybe where it's light during the day and dark at night. Maybe it might automatically update. Honestly, that's a little bit more information than I'm familiar with. But the one thing I can say is the easy way for you to check your system settings is just by hit search. In the search section, just type in theme, or if your computer's in Spanish like mine, tema, and then you'll be able to update your themes in the theme section here. All right, so the last thing that I just need to let you guys know is that this is a personal preference, which means that it's used at the individual level. Each user has the ability to choose whether they want the light theme or the dark theme. There is no ability for admins to go in and change this permission or this theme setting across the entire company. That's it for today's video. I hope you got a lot out of this video. If you have any questions related to dark theme or anything else related to Pipedrive, please leave a comment down below. If you need help with Pipedrive, you'll see a link to fill out a form to reach out to us. And as always, please like and subscribe so you can get more top quality Pipedrive content.